Hello guys. Nandito kami sa bundok ngayon guys. So,
Huwag mo kasi pasinin. Nawala din yung losyunan.
Hindi ako nag-lotion.
so guys. Nakaka-scared.
Ganda kasi ng bahay natin. Ha?
So, we just arrived. So,
Wala akong load. Naka-wifi diba?
I don't know guys, where's the ride? The ride. It's really challenging guys. The aso is very